and he was like,
Showing what?
you flying that, your jet.
All right, yeah.
And he was like, I've fucking got to come down and see that. And he went, that is the fucking bollocks. He's come out of it, he's done his back in.
Oh, fuck me, that nosebleed's fucking witchy.
Hang on there, anyway.
I'm on it!
Nice, behind a flying
Well, I
line.
couldn't do fuck all.
That's 6 months.
Turn, you cunt. It's going in.
No, it does that. That's how it turns.
No, it's well out of trim.
Hey, you've altered the fucking handle. Put the handle in the middle.
What do you need? You need low
Right
down.
trim.
don't you?
Everything. Right trim is what you need.
Nils, Bella.
Low to left. Well. The elevator's really pushing now.
It's fucking low, man.
Hold on, not yet. Get out. Low to up, yeah. I'm driving like look, I've got up here, look. There's only one outcome.
Yeah, you can see
Side of
it.
it.
Yeah. Prop bang. Don't you take the angle off and it's fucking lovely.
Oh, is that your version of a landing? Can't do it. It's all over the fucking place.
It's that handle.